Meaning of guardianship.
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 Guardianship. Guardianship refers to the legal responsibility of taking care of someone who is unable to take care of themselves, such as a child or an individual with a disability. The guardian is typically appointed by a court and is responsible for making decisions related to the person's welfare, including their education, healthcare, and financial affairs. The role of a guardian is to act as a protector and advocate for the person under their care, ensuring that their best interests are always the top priority. Guardianship can be a challenging but rewarding responsibility and requires a high level of commitment and dedication.